Hangzhou, Jishike Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a leading supplier of intelligent vending machines and smart lockers based in Hangzhou, China. Our company specializes in designing, manufacturing, and distributing innovative vending machines and lockers. With a team of over 30 professionals and a production space of 2,000 plus square meters, we have the capability to meet the demands of our customers worldwide. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities are equipped with advanced machinery, ensuring efficient production and exceptional product quality. Our product range includes beverage machines, snack machines, combo machines, and versatile lockers for various applications. We prioritize user experience and convenience, incorporating features such as touchscreens, cashless payment systems, and remote monitoring capabilities. We have established a strong global presence, exporting our products to over 100 countries and regions. This demonstrates the trust and recognition our brand has earned from customers worldwide. At Hangzhou Jishike Intelligent Technology Company Limited, we strive for customer satisfaction. Our dedicated team offers prompt responses, effective solutions, and comprehensive after-sales support. We value our customers' feedback and continuously improve our products and services. In summary, Hangzhou Jishike Intelligent Technology Company Limited is a leading supplier of intelligent vending machines and smart lockers. With our advanced manufacturing capabilities, diverse product range, and commitment to customer satisfaction, we are well positioned to meet the needs of the vending industry. Contact us for more information on how our products can benefit your business.